In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on a video using Canva, a user-friendly design tool that many people find convenient for crafting both static and dynamic content. Whether you're creating a presentation, a portfolio piece, or simply enhancing a video for your social media platforms, learning how to effectively zoom into specific parts can add a professional touch to your projects. Let's begin by opening Canva and navigating to your dashboard. This is typically where you see all of your recent designs, and you can start a new project by clicking on the Create a Design button. If you already have an existing video, you can simply upload it by selecting Uploads from the left-hand panel. Drag and drop your video file right into the workspace, or you can click the upload button to select a file from your computer. Once your video is on the canvas, you can see it positioned centrally within the workspace. Now, to achieve the zooming effect, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where there's a circular handle. This handle is key to adjusting the scale of your video. By clicking and holding this circle, you can drag it to the right to zoom in gradually, or to the left if you'd like to zoom out. As you do this, notice how the view of your video changes on the canvas. If your intention is to focus on a specific area, simply reposition the video by clicking and dragging it directly on the canvas. This maneuver allows you to highlight the exact section of your video that you want to emphasize. Keep in mind that you can preview these changes in the editor before finalizing them to ensure they meet your expectations. An additional tip to achieve a nice visual effect is to combine zooming with other features that Canva offers, such as adding text overlays or applying filters to your video. This will not only invite viewers' attention to the zoomed segment, but also enhance the overall theme and tone of your content. After you're satisfied with the zoom and any other edits you've made, the next step is to save your project. Navigate over to the download icon, designate your preferred file format, typically an MP4 for videos, and hit download. Canva will process the change and provide you with a downloadable file that you can share or upload wherever you need. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to zoom in on a video using Canva. I hope you found it helpful and that it empowered you to make even greater use of this versatile tool. If you have any questions or would like to see more tutorials like this, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!